In this video, I will show you how to add a picture to your contacts in the Android phones and iPhones also. It works the same way. So open the phone app and search for the contact. I already searched here. So this is not a real phone number and contact, and you press on the profile picture, and after that you can change different things here. So you tap on the edit, and here you can change the name, phone number, add another phone number, add an email address, birthday and address, physical address, a lot of things, but also you have pictures, so you can add a picture. And here you can choose the picture location from Google Photos, Illustrations, or device. Most probably you will have it from device or from camera. You can actually take a picture of the person and do it like. You can set this as a profile picture, move the picture around a little bit and choose. And now John Sourdough has a profile picture, thumbs up. So you will see this picture even when you search for the profile. It's going to be much more convenient when they call you. You will see this. It's really useful to have a picture when you get a phone call. You will know who it's from. But okay, let's put a real picture here. So you can change the picture or remove it. So change will open this view, and removes it, and you can save it also, but let's choose one. Can choose this one. Can zoom in like that. Sorry, just trying to make faces, trying to make the videos more interesting. And then you choose the option, or you can rotate it also like this if the picture is not the right way, and then press choose. So then you have your contact ready to save, but it's not saved yet, so I can save it. And now you still see the old one. After closing and opening the phone app, or if you wait a little bit of time, you will see that there is the face. So tap on the face, it opens the face. Yeah, this is how you actually set a profile picture, change the picture, remove the picture, rotate, and you can set a picture from the camera, from the gallery, or you can snap a picture right now if the person is in front of you, so you remember how they are. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you. Subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you next time.